Welcome to Lead School at Home.
Hi students, in yesterday's class we have seen up to the question number 12. Now we will see question number 13 onwards. See here, in question number 13 what is given? D and E are the points on a side CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC which is right angled at a point C. There is a triangle ABC which is a right angled at C. I will draw the triangle ABC here. Suppose this is a triangle ABC which is right angled at a point C. I will draw the triangle ABC. ABC. Triangle ABC which is the right angled at point C. D and E are the points on a side CA. There is a point D on a side CA and point E on the side CB. Point E on the side CB respectively of a triangle ABC. Now we have to prove that AE square plus BD square. AE square means this much. AE. We have to join here AE also. Join AE. We have to join AE because in a proof asked AE square and BD square. Therefore, we have to join BD also. See here, I will join BD also because in the proof BD square is asked. Therefore, BD square also we have to join here and AB square we will get, and what we want DE square also we want here. I will join this point D and E by the dotted line. 5 dotted lines to identify this. Therefore, DE square I have written here. And see how to prove this solution. First, what we want AE square. AE square in which triangle we will get AE square? See here, in a triangle EAC, can we get AE square? Yes. In a triangle, in triangle EAC, AE square is equal to CE square plus AC square. CE square plus AC square. Can I write the CE square plus AC square is equal to AE square? Therefore, we got here this much and write it as the equation number 1. And what we want in the second proof? See here, BD square we want here. Now, in which triangle we will get BD square? Can we get in triangle BDC? In triangle BDC, BD square we will get here. See here, in triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, BD square is equal to, BD is the hypotenuse, this BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. Mark it as equation number 2 here. And now what we have to find here? AB square plus DE square. We want AB square plus DE square we want. See here, what is the DE square? DE square. First I will write DE square. How to find the DE square? DE square in the triangle EDC. Can we get ED square? Yes. In triangle EDC, ED square is equal to EC square plus CD square. Write it as the equation number 3. EC square plus CD square. It is the equation number 3. Now, in a proof we want AB square also. That is BC. Let us see how to prove this. Now, first we will add equation number 1 and 2 because we want here AE square plus BD square. In equation 1, LHS of equation 1 is AE square. We will get AE square here. And in equation 2, LHS is BD square. After adding equation number 1 and 2, we will get these things. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get, see here, after adding equation 1 and 2, what we will get here? AE square plus BD square is equal to, AE square plus BD square is equal to CE square, or you can say that EC square. This CE also written as EC square plus AC square, plus BC square plus CD square. See here, I will write EC square and CD square towards close towards each other. That is, at a same place I will write here EC square, bring close to each other. That is EC square, CD square. I will write this CD square close to the EC square. You will know why I written here. And AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. Now observe this EC square plus CD square. EC square plus CD square is equal to ED square. EC square plus CD square is equal to ED square or not? Check here. This EC square plus CD square is equal to ED square or not? Yes, it is a ED square. ED square. This EC square plus CD square is nothing but it is a ED square. EC square plus CD square is nothing but ED square. And AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square in this triangle. See here. In a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, this AC square plus BC square. Can I write AB square? By Pythagoras theorem? Yes. AC square plus BC square. I will write this AC square plus BC square. I will write as a AB square. The reason, see here, this is from 3, this ED square from 3, and from 3, and how this AB square comes? AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. See here, in the triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square by using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, we have written here AB square instead of AC square plus BC square. We got here AE square plus BD square is equal to this much. Now, instead of this ED square, can I write DE square? Because ED and DE both are same. ED and DE both are same. Therefore, instead of this ED, I can write DE square plus AB square, which is equal to AE square plus BD square as it is. This much only we want in the proof. See here, in a proof what we want? AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. And prove. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 14. See in a question number 14 what is given? The perpendicular from a point A. The perpendicular from a point A on a side BC. There is a perpendicular we have drawn on a side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at point D. Intersects BC at point D such that DB is equal to 3 times CD. Such that this DB is equal to 3 times CD. It is given. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that 2 times AB square. 2 times AB square is equal to 2 times AC square plus BC square. We have to prove here. Let us see how to prove. What we want in the proof? AB square we want. In which triangle we will get AB square? See here. In a triangle ADB. Can we get AB square? Yes. In a triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, AB square is equal to what is the value of AB square? AD square plus DB square. Can I write? AD square plus DB square. AD square plus DB square. I will write here. And we want also AC square also we want here. First, I will convert this DB in the terms of BC. In the terms of BC. Why we have to convert this DB in terms of BC? Why it is necessary? Because in the proof there is a no DB. See here, in the proof there is a no DB. Therefore, we have to convert this DB in the terms of a BC. In the terms of a BC, let us see how to convert this. Given, we know that what is given here? DB is equal to 3 times CD. DB is equal to 3 times CD. Why? It is a given. I will mark this as equation number 1. It is a given, but BC is equal to, what is the value of BC? BC is equal to CD plus DB. Can I write? BC is equal to CD plus DB. But BC is equal to, we know that, CD plus DB. Now, put here DB. What value we want here? Here only we want DB only we want. Therefore, DB is equal to 3 times CD is there. We will put the CD in terms of DB. We have to put the CD in terms of DB. What is the value of CD from this? CD is equal to, can I write? Or CD is equal to DB by 3. Can I write CD is equal to DB by 3? From this, can I write CD is equal to DB by 3? Yes. I will put here. CD is equal to DB by 3. I will put here. See here. BC is equal to, instead of CD, I will write DB by 3. DB by 3 plus DB. Now, multiplies cross multiplication. Do here 3 times dB plus dB plus 3 dB divided by 3 is equal to BC. Send this 3 towards this side. It will become 3 times BC is equal to dB plus 3 BD is equal to 4 times dB. We got 4 times dB is equal to 3 times BC. Send this 4 towards left hand side. It will become 3 by 4 times BC is equal to dB. We got dB is equal to 3 by 4 times BC. Now put this value, put dB value in equation number 1. Put dB is equal to 3 by 4 times BC in equation 1. We get, see here, after putting the value of dB in equation 1, what we will get? See here, AB square is equal to AD square as it is, plus this dB can be written as 3 by 4 times BC, 3 by 4 times BC and bracket square. 5 square, here square is there, dB square is there, therefore we have to square it, which is equal to AD square, 3 by 4 square is 9 by 16 into BC square. We got AB square is equal to AD square plus 9 by 16 into BC square. And also what we want here, AC square also we want here. I will write equation for AC square. In which triangle we will get AC square? See, in triangle ADC, can we get AC square? Yes. In a triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square we got here. Now, in a proof, we also don't want CD square. In a proof, we also don't want CD square. See here CD square is not available. So, to remove this CD square, in the place of CD, we have to bring the BC. Can we write the CD in the terms of BC? How to write? See here, we know this. dB is equal to 3 times CD. dB is equal to 3 times CD. And also BC is equal to CD plus dB. We know this, BC is equal to CD plus dB. I will write here. We know that BC is equal to CD plus dB. And this dB is equal to 3 times CD. I will put here, instead of dB, I will put 3 times CD. BC is equal to CD plus 3 times CD. Reason is, since dB is equal to 3 times CD. We know that dB is equal to 3 times CD. Therefore, instead of dB, I have written 3 times CD, which is equal to 4 times CD. BC is equal to 4 times CD. Therefore, CD is equal to, better I will write here. Therefore, CD is equal to BC by 4. Can I write this CD is equal to BC by 4? Then this 4 towards left hand side, it will become in the denominator, it will go to the denominator, therefore it will become BC by 4. CD is equal to BC by 4. Put CD is equal to BC by 4 in equation number 2. Mark it as equation number 2. We have to put CD is equal to BC by 4 in equation number 2. Put here. Therefore, AC square is equal to AD square plus, instead of CD, I have to write BC by 4 here. BC by 4 bracket square. 5 square, here CD square is there. First of all, copy down this. After that, we will see next proof. Copy down this. Sorry, see here. Don't mark this as equation number 2. First, mark this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. Mark this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. Because we need this equation number 2 in the further step. Therefore, mark it as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. And we will solve further. First, we have to, here, we have to put in equation number 3. We have to put CD is equal to BC by 4 in equation number 3. Copy down this and after that, we will solve next steps. We got here AC square is equal to AD square plus BC by 4 bracket square. We will simplify it. AD square plus BC square divided by 16. 4 square is 16 is equal to AC square. We got here. Mark it as equation number 4. Now, what we want to see here, in the equation number 2, we got AB square. In equation number 2, we got AB square value. Now, we have to subtract equation number 4 from the equation 2. Subtract subtracting equation 4 from equation 2. See here, equation number 2. What is equation number 2? I will write here rough work. Equation 2 is AB square is equal to AD square plus 9 by 16 BC square. This much we got in a equation number 2. This is a rough work. Don't write this. This already you have. AB square is equal to AD square plus 9 by 16 into BC square. We got in the equation number 2. Now subtracting equation 4 from the equation number 2. Let us see what we will get. AC square, sorry, we have to subtract equation 4 from equation 2. AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square plus 9 by 16 BC square minus this much we have to do here. Minus AD square, it is a plus, after subtracting it will become minus. Here it is plus, it also become minus. Minus BC square by 16. Minus BC square by 16 we got here. This plus AD square minus AD square get cancelled. Now 9 by 16 BC square and BC square by 16 is equal to, can I write 8 BC square by 16? 8 by 16 into BC square. 9 by 16 BC square minus BC square by 16 is equal to 8 by 16 BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. Now see here, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. We got 1 by 2 times BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. Now send this 1 by 2 towards left hand side. It will go to the numerator, that is in a multiplication. To go to the multiplication, that is 2 times AB square minus 2 times AC square is equal to BC square. We got here. Therefore, send this AC, 2AC square towards right hand side. Therefore, 2 times AB square is equal to 2 times AC square. It will become plus after sending towards the right hand side. 2 times AC square plus BC square, hence proved. This much only we want in the proof. See here, 2 times AB square is equal to 2 times AC square plus BC square. This much only we want in the proof, hence proved. Copy down this and don't need to write this. For preferring, you can prefer this equation number 2. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 15. See in a question number 15 what is given. In an equilateral triangle ABC. There is a equilateral triangle ABC given. First I will draw the equilateral triangle ABC. See here. We will assume triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. D is a point on a side BC. There is a point D on a side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 times BC. 1 by 3 times BC. There is a point D. Suppose this point D is on a side BC such that this BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. It is given. And what we have to prove here? Prove that 9 times AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. Let us see how to prove. First I will write given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is given an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle and BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. It is given here. Now to what we have to prove? To prove, I will write to prove 9 times AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. We have to prove this. Let us see how to prove. To prove this, we need one construction. Here in a proof, AD square is there and AB square is also there. To bring in a terms of a square, therefore we need a right angle. Here no one is a right angle triangle. यहाँ पर एक भी right angle triangle नहीं है. Therefore we have to make a right angle triangle. Draw a perpendicular construction. Draw a perpendicular, or you can write AE perpendicular to side BC. AE perpendicular to side BC. I will draw here AE which is perpendicular to side BC. AE which is perpendicular to side BC. I have drawn AE which is perpendicular to side BC. Now see here, proof. Draw AE perpendicular to side BC. I have drawn the AE perpendicular to the side BC. Now proof, I think everybody know that in a equilateral triangle, this altitude AE act as a median. In an equilateral triangle, altitude AE act as a median. If you don't know, let us see how to prove this. In triangle AEB, this one triangle, in a triangle AEB and triangle AEC and triangle AEC, angle E is equal to, I can write like this, angle AEB is equal to angle AEC. Why? Angle AEB is equal to why angle AEC? Because each 90 degree. Each angle is of 90 degree. And angle B is equal to this one angle. This angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Each 60 degree. Each 60 degree. Each angle are 60 degree. Why? Because equilateral triangle, we know that all angles of equilateral triangle are 60 degree. That is 60 degree. These two angles are equal. And instead of these two angles equating, this is not necessary. See here, this angles is not necessary. Can we write AE is equal to AE? Side AE is equal to AE. Side AE is equal to AE. Can I write? Why? It is a common side. Common side for both the triangles. Common side. And side AB is equal to AC. Side AB is equal to AC. Side AB is equal to AC. Why? Sides of a equilateral triangle. Sides of a equilateral triangle. Sides of a equilateral triangle. We know that sides of equilateral triangles are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, can we say that triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AEC? By which rule? Triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AEC. By which rule? By RHS congruency rule. By RHS congruency rule. See here, right hand side, that is it is a R is nothing but right angle. Angle AEB is equal to angle AEC is equal to each 90. That is one is right angle and H is hypotenuse. One of the hypotenuse is equal. AB is equal to AC. AB is also hypotenuse and AC is also hypotenuse. These two hypotenuse are equal and one of the side is equal. AE is equal to AE. Therefore, we can apply RHS congruency rule here. Therefore, triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AEC. If these two triangles are congruent, can I write BE is equal to EC? Therefore, DE is equal to EC. By which rule? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. That is by CPCT. By CPCT, we can say that BE is equal to EC. Now we got that AE is act as a median. AE is act as a median in a equilateral triangle. That is, altitude of a equilateral triangle act as a median. Now, first of all, copy down this, and after that, I will give another proof also. Next steps. First of all, copy down this. Here we got BE is equal to EC. BE is equal to EC. Mark it as a equation number 1. Now see, in a proof, what we want? In a proof, we want AD square. 9A times AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. Therefore, AD square we want. In which triangle we will get AD square? See, in a triangle AED, can we get AD square? Yes. In triangle AED, AD square is equal to, this AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. AE square plus DE square. Now see here, in a proof there is a no DE. In a proof there is a no DE. Now how to write this DE, or you can cancel. How to cancel this DE? DE को आप cancel करना है. How to cancel it? DE की जगह आपको अलग लिखना है, because DE is not here. Instead of DE, can I write BC minus? See here, instead of this DE, can I write BE minus BD? Can I write this BE minus BD? Yes, we will write instead of DE, AD square is equal to AE square plus, instead of this DE, first I will simplify it. See here, but DE is equal to BE minus BD. Can I write this BE minus BD instead of DE? Can I write this BE minus BD? Yes. Now see here, this BE is equal to EC we got. BE is equal to EC we got. Can I write this BE as a BC divided by 2? This BE as a BC divided by 2. Yes. Write this BE as a BC divided by 2 minus BD. We know that what is given, BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. Put here instead of BD 1/3 of BC, which is equal to cross multiplication 3 times BC minus 2BC divided by 6, which is equal to BC divided by 6. We got DE is equal to BC divided by 6. We got DE is equal to BC divided by 6. Put here instead of DE, BC divided by 6. Put here. Therefore, AD square is equal to AE square plus, instead of DE, we have to write BC by 6. BC by 6 bracket square. We have to write BC by 6 bracket square because here DE square is there. Mark it as equation number 2. Mark it as equation number 2. Now, also in a proof we want AB square. In which triangle we will get AB square? See here. In which triangle we will get AB square? In a triangle AEB. In a triangle AEB. In triangle AEB, AB square, this one, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Can I write AE square plus BE square? Now, we don't want BE square. We don't want this BE square. We have to remove it. We know that BE is equal to BC by 2. BE is equal to BC by 2. Here also we have used BE is equal to BC by 2. Why? BE is equal to EC is there. BE is equal to EC is there. Therefore, we can write BE is equal to BC by 2. Yes. Put here. AE square plus, instead of BE, we have to write BC by 2. Bracket square is there because BE square is there. We got AB square is equal to AE square plus BC by 2 bracket square means BC square by 4. BC square by 4. We got AB square is equal to AE square plus BC square by 4 and mark it as the equation number 3. Mark it as the equation number 3. Now, first copy down this. First of all, copy down this and the next steps I will tell you. Now, I have written here equation number 2 and 3 for a rough work. Don't write this again. See here. Now, subtract equation number 3. Subtract equation number 3 from equation number 2. Subtract equation 3 from equation 2. From equation 2. I have written this for a reference only. Now we have to subtract equation 3 from equation number 2. What is equation number 2 here? This is AD square minus AB square. We have to subtract equation number 3 from equation number 2. AD square minus AB square is equal to AE square plus BC by 6 bracket square minus AE square, and again while subtracting we have to change the signs here. This BC square by 4 will become minus BC square by 4. Now we will simplify it. This AE square get cancelled, plus and minus, therefore it get cancelled. BC by 6 bracket square means it will come BC square by 36 minus BC square by 4. This BC square by 4 as it is. Now, cross multiply, or you can take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of a denominator is 36 here. Then in a numerator, BC square minus 9BC square divided by 36. Because 36 is a LCM here, which is equal to BC square minus 9BC square is nothing but 8 times BC square is equal to 36. 8 times minus 8 times BC square. BC square minus 9BC square is equal to minus 8 times BC square divided by 36. 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. Therefore, we got minus 2BC square divided by 9. Minus 2BC square divided by 9. which is equal to AD square minus AB square. AD square minus AB square is equal to, we got minus 2 by 9 BC square. Now send this minus 2 by 9 towards left hand side. Send this minus 2 by 9 towards left hand side. It will become 9 by 2. 9 will go in the numerator. 9 times AD square divided by 2 minus 9 by 2, 9 AB square divided by 2. 9 AB square divided by 2 is equal to minus BC square, remain as it is. Minus BC square remains as it is. Now, what we want in the proof? In the proof we want AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. Now, see here, BC is equal to, can I write AB? This BC is equal to, can I write AB? Why? Because it is an equilateral triangle. BC is also equal to AB and also equal to AC. Therefore, we will write BC is equal to AB. And send this terms towards right hand side. 9 times AD square divided by 2 is equal to, send this 9 AB square divided by 2 towards right hand side, it will become plus 9 AB square divided by 2, and this minus BC square, instead of BC I will write AB. Instead of this BC I will write AB square, since BC is equal to AB, as ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now, cross multiplication here. Do the cross multiplication. 9AB square minus 2AB square divided by 2, which is equal to 9AD square divided by 2. Now, 9AB square minus 2AB square is equal to 7AB square. These two get cancelled. We will get 7AB square. 9AB square minus 2AB square is equal to 7AB square and 9AD square as it is. This much only we want in the proof. See here, 9AD square is equal to 7AB square only we want. We got here. Hence, proved. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 16. See in a question number 16 what is given. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side, 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So first we have to draw here equilateral triangle. See here, first I will draw an equilateral triangle ABC. Consider ABC is an equilateral triangle and we have to draw one altitude here. That is AD will be the one altitude. I will draw AD as the altitude. Now what we have to prove here? See here. First I will write given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC because it is an equilateral triangle. And AD is an altitude. AD is an altitude. Therefore, what we have to prove? To prove, see here, what is the statement? Prove that 3 times the square of one of its sides. We will assume 3 times the square means AC square. We will take AC as a side. 3 times one of its sides square, 3 times AC square is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. 4 times the square of its altitude. 4 times AD square. We have to prove this. See here how to prove. Proof. In a proof, what we want in the proof? AC square and AD square want. In which triangle we will get AC square? In a triangle ADC, can we get a AC square? Yes. In triangle ADC, we will get AC square. AC square is equal to, can I write AD square plus DC square? This AD square plus DC square. Yes, I can write AD square plus DC square. But in a proof, we don't want this DC. In a proof, we don't want this DC. To convert this DC to one of its sides, can we convert this DC in the terms of BC? Yes. We know that altitude in an equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle act as a median, therefore 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 AD is a median here, therefore AD is act as a median, here, therefore AD is act as a median here, therefore can I write BD is equal to DC? Can I write this BD is equal to DC? Therefore, we got BD is equal to DC. There is no need to prove again. That is, if we make these two triangles are congruent, then we will get BD is equal to DC. By RHS rule, these two triangles may be congruent, or definitely these two triangles are congruent by RHS rule. Therefore, BD is equal to DC also we will get. Otherwise, you can write like this. Altitude in an equilateral triangle act as a median. Therefore, AD is act as a median here. BD is equal to DC we got. Now we have to remove this DC. See here. Therefore, AC square is equal to AD square plus, instead of DC, can I write BC by 2? Instead of this DC, can I write BC by 2? Yes. This instead of DC, I will write BC by 2 bracket square. Since BD is equal to CD. Since BD is equal to CD, therefore this CD is BC by 2. CD is nothing but, or DC is nothing but BC by 2. I will write DC here. CD and BC are both are same. To understand you, I have written DC here. DC is equal to BC by 2. I will write here. Therefore, we got BC by 2 here. Therefore, AC square is equal to AD square plus square it BC square divided by 4. We got BC square divided by 4. Now, can I write this BC is equal to AC from this here in a given BC is equal to AC, we know that. Therefore, can we write instead of BC AC here? Yes. AD square plus, instead of BC I will write AC divided by 4 is equal to AC square. Why? What is the reason for this? Since AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Since AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, it is given. Therefore, instead of BC, I have written AC here. AC by 4. Now, I will write here. Send this AC square, or you can say that cross multiplication. Do here cross multiplication. We will get AC square is equal to 4 times AD square plus AC square divided by 4. Now, send this 4 towards right hand side. 4 towards right hand side, it will become 4 times AC square is equal to 4 times AD square plus AC square, and send this AC square towards left hand side, it will become minus 4 times AC square minus AC square is equal to 4 times AD square. Therefore, 4 times AC square minus AC square is nothing but 3 times AC square is equal to 4 times AD square. Hence, proof. This much only we want in the proof. Here, 3 times AC square is equal to 4 times AD square. We got here. Copy down this, and question number 17 is not necessary to solve because that is out of syllabus and that part is deleted. Therefore, up to the question number 16 we have completed. In this way, the chapter number 6 triangles is completed. I will give some questions on this for a homework. You have to solve it. Bye, students.